what's up guys? This is Terry with Moix RV in Conway, and guys, today we are checking out this all-new 2025 Winnebago Navion 24T. It's an all-new floor plan that is both classy and functional. Of course, this Navion is on the Mercedes chassis, so you are matched behind a 2.0 liter high-output turbo diesel, as well as a 9-speed transmission, giving you both the performance that you need to go up the mountains, as well as the reliability to go down the road. One of the coolest changes that they made on this specific floor plan is this rear storage, with almost 70 cubic foot of storage just in the rear cargo area alone. The interior of this Navion is just as beautiful as the exterior, with bronze accent throughout the coach, brown leather recliners with a Murphy bed, and plenty of storage throughout. Winnebago has done a fantastic job at retrofitting this coach for maximum functionality. So this dining room table actually lays down to give you the maximum amount of floor space. And then over here in your kitchen, they've given you a ton of storage, an induction stovetop, and a gas stovetop as well, so that you don't always have to use your propane. We all know the problem in a 24-foot Mercedes is that there's just not enough storage. Well, Winnebago has conquered that on this 24T with a huge rear closet, a really big bathroom with tankless water heaters. Guys, they have thought about everything in this coach. Guys, as y'all can see, this Navion 24T is the perfect combination of class and functionality. With the high output diesel motor, the all-wheel drive chassis, and the increased storage, this thing will keep you out on the road longer. So guys, y'all have got to come check it out. 1213 Collier Drive here in Conway.